everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to open the Magearna EX tin. And right now it is not wrapped. Lucas, can you open it?
Sure!
Okay, let's see what we got. So here's our Magearna EX.
Yeah.
Here.
The solar blaster.
Forget that. Here's the code card. Okay, we got these tins. Evolutions. It's with a Blastoise. XY Evolutions with a Venusaur. Cool Fates Collide and Steam Siege. Steam Siege is my favorite artwork.
Let's start with this one.
First, let's start with XY Steam Siege. Hope we can get our EXs.
I don't think we can open it.
Maybe I can.
Oh,
Here.
oh, I see. Right. Now I can open it. Hey, stop!
Wait, I got this. Okay, maybe you can open this. Olive. Mirrol's knocking off the door. Okay. Oh. Can I help?
Here.
Okay, right. So, here's the code card. Code card.
Again.
3 from the back.
Stop! No!
3.
Stop!
Whoa.
Stop!
We need to put 3 in the back.
Wait, stop. No.
1, 2, 3.
4.
No, 3. Okay, let's see what we got here. Probopass. That was unusual. Probopass. Zoo! Hydreigon G! Well, Hydreigon Break! Oh! That looks like we're going from the back. Dino. We're doing it wrong. We should try to do. Whoa! Tangela. Krogunk. Ocelot. Meryl. Nidorino. Special Charge. And yes, Luella. The problem is that we were doing it at the wrong order.
Yeah.
Okay, next, the XY Face Collide. Alright, let's see what we got. Here's Snubbles knocking on the door.
No.
Whoa, I gotta show the code card. Here's the code card. 2, 3. Okay, so flip it over. Flip! The problem is that we need to flip it. Okay, we got a random receiver, a Wormadam, Old Amber Aerodactyl, a Snubble, a Fennekin, a Jigglypuff, a Snivy, a Deerling, a Riolu, Hollow, and Lucario, regular rare. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got here. Here's the code card. Wait, right here. Right, 3 at the back. Right. 3 from the back. Oh, So we've got a Porygon. Trainer Pokedex, Kakuna, Voltorb, Diglett, Caterpie, Poliwag, Pikachu, Ponyta Holo, and Electrode, regular rare. Now the last one, what are we gonna get here? Okay, the code card. Do it from the back. I remember that. A full heal. Venusaur Spirit Link. A potion. A Ghastly. Charmander. Rattata.